Imagine if you could learn fashion designing online. The video you're about to watch is a preview of my online courses on fashion designing. If you want to find out more about it, click the link below. Here we go. What is draping? Well, draping for fashion design is the process of positioning and pinning fabric onto a dress form to develop the structure of a garment design. After draping, the fabric is removed from the dress form and used to create the pattern for the garment. Now, that is the technical definition of draping. But I personally think that draping is a lot more than that. See, when you're draping, you are like a sculptor. You are like an artist. You are creating a new design. You can use draping as a source of inspiration. For example, go to your local fabric store, buy 2 yards of fabric that you really like, take it home and use draping as a tool, as a technique to create new designs. Draping can be fun, and it should be fun. It should be playful and inspiring. Here are some examples done by some of my students. And yes, they look a bit raw and unrefined, but through refining and modifying these drapes, you can turn these into great designs. Now, you will need a dress form, obviously. These dress forms are not cheap. They cost anywhere from a few $100s to $1,000 and maybe more. You can find a used one online, so do some research. And they come in different sizes. They come in size 4, size 6, size 8. If you can find a 4 or 6 or an 8 size, that would be ideal. Also, you will need pins, so you can pin the fabric onto the form. You will need scissors and a pencil and a ruler. This is a clear see-through plastic ruler. And muslin. What is muslin? Muslin is a raw, unprocessed cotton fabric. It's very inexpensive. It is used to drape, and then once the pattern is completed, the drape is then thrown away. You also will need dotted paper. Dotted paper looks like this. Dotted paper is used to make patterns. If you want to learn about pattern making, watch my other course on basic pattern making. And in fact, I suggest you do so and enroll in a pattern making class, because draping and pattern making, they go hand in hand. They work together, as you will see. So, for some of you, this is the first time that you are actually draping. So, as a way to get your feet wet, so to speak, take some fabric, put on some music, and just have fun with it. Have fun, be creative, and enjoy the process. Maybe something like this. Well, listen, before we get to the fancy stuff, we have to get some basic fundamental principles in draping. It's very important to get the foundation really solid, right? It's like building a house. You got to get the foundations really solid before you can get into fancy stuff. So in this course, we'll cover the basic bodice, front and back, the basic skirt, a simple dress or variations of a dress. We'll do a circle skirt. So those are the basic ideas. I'll throw in a few extra things here and there, but this is a basic draping course that's important to solidify before you move on to the fancy stuff, okay? I will see you in class. So if you want to find out more about it, click the link below.